Now we're ready to calibrate the pH probe. Press any button on the combo meter to turn it on. Press the pH button to make sure you're in pH mode. Take the pH probe and stick it in some fresh pH 7 calibration solution. Give it a good swirl to make sure you've got good contact between the probe glass and the solution. Press and hold the Calibrate button until CAL displays on the combo meter screen, and then release your finger. You'll see a series of flashing symbols on the screen letting you know the calibration process is taking place. The pH 7 calibration indicator will now appear on the display. You'll see the pH 4 calibration indicator flashing, letting you know it's time to calibrate in pH 4 solution. Next, rinse the probe in fresh, clean tap water. Next, place the probe in fresh pH 4 calibration solution. Remember to give it a good swirl to ensure you've got good contact between the probe glass and the calibration solution. Wait for the reading to stabilize on the combo meter. Press and hold the Calibrate button until CAL displays on the combo meter screen, and then release your finger. You'll see a series of flashing symbols again letting you know the pH 4 calibration is taking place. When calibration is complete, you'll see the pH 4 calibration indicator appear on the display. The calibration indicators will be on the display until it's time to calibrate again. Rinse the probe in fresh tap water. And you're all done calibrating the pH probe.